Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sheikh Saiful Islam, and today we're diving into a topic that affects nearly all of us, mastering the art of small talk in English. Whether you're at a networking event, a casual get-together, or even just running into someone at the grocery store, small talk is the key to building connections. So, let's unlock that skill together. Before we jump in, let's set the stage. Small talk might seem trivial, but it's a superpower that can open doors to friendships, professional connections, and even incredible opportunities. Have you ever been in a room full of people and felt that social tension? Believe me, I've been there too. Today, I'm sharing my top strategies to turn you into a small talk maestro. So, what does small talk really mean? It's basically light conversation about everyday topics. Think weather, current events, or discussing the latest Netflix series. But here's the kicker, small talk is often the gateway to deeper conversations. It's all about building rapport. First things first, icebreakers matter. Always have a few handy. For example, if you're at a party, you might say, "Hey, I love your shoes. Where did you get them?" It's a compliment that opens the door for them to share their story, and who doesn't love talking about themselves a bit? Now, let's put that into action. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. You could start with something like, "What's your go-to drink here?" Or even better, "Have you tried any of their pastries? They look delicious." Trust me, this is an easy way to initiate a conversation that leads to more, like discovering a shared love for vanilla lattes. But here's the key, listen actively. Small talk isn't just about you talking, it's about creating a dialogue. Nod, maintain eye contact, and ask follow-up questions that show genuine interest. If they mention a hobby like cycling, dive deeper, "That's awesome. What's your favorite trail?" This not only keeps the conversation flowing, but also shows that you value their input. Remember, it's about building connections, not just exchanging pleasantries. Lastly, don't forget to end with a positive note. Something like, "It was great chatting with you. Let's keep in touch." This leaves a lasting impression and opens the door for future conversations. Here's a quick role-play scenario to illustrate how effective small talk can be in action. You, as the talker, can say, "Hi there. You look familiar. Have we met before?" Then your friend may reply, "Not that I know of. I'm Sheikh Arilang Islam. What brings you here today?" Then you can reply, "I'm Sheikh Saiful Islam. I just wanted to explore the new cafe. Speaking of which, have you tried their coffee? I heard it's amazing." So there you have it. With these simple tips, you can master the art of small talk and connect with people like never before. Next time you find yourself in a social setting, remember, a little small talk can lead to a big conversation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop a comment sharing your own small talk experiences. I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!